Ating kanina na sila lang ang tumalo ng elimination round.
Tama yan, pero 5 sets kasi yun. Tama yan. And syempre ito, defending champions. Gustong-gusto nilang i-defend yung corona nila. So mas kailangan doblehin nila yung effort para hindi na mangyari yun.
Perpetual, miscommunication right there. That one goes to the Sunbeda Red Spikers and Ciso. Scores for them. For the Perpetual help Altos. Here comes Sunbeda, Zabala. Strong kill. Ramos tips it. Wala Salaan rather. Pero basang-basa ng depensa ng Sunbeda for the Red Spikers.
So si Adrian Gray, siya yung number 2 scorer naman sa team nila next to Mark.
At nung larong yan siya ang leading scorer nila against Perpetual kasi 7 points lamang dun si Enciso. Magsisimula na ang set number 2, Final Four matchup natin dito sa NCAA. Ayun. That is a good asset for any team, pero si Kasim naman.
Hindi babawan na, parang hindi siya mababa.
Sinigurado na niya dun,
Kahit combination plays na babantayan
Talingking with a nice save. Taneo puts it away for the Altas.
Good effort dahil yung dalawang magkasunod na atake na yon, kay Taneo binigay.
Napakaraming spike nila, napakaraming atake nila ang umu-over dito sa ating laro. Here's Sunbeda. Viray! Powerful attack from Adrian Viray. Talagang tumutulong dito sa offense ng Perpetual. But we'll see if they will adjust. Here, Taneo! Speaking of.
Stepping up for Castel.
Di ba? Narinig yata tayo dito, Mel.
Ang ganda nung atake na yun, kung makikita mo.
Set point for the Red Spikers. Zabala! Takes the set for the Sunbeda Red Spikers, rather. Tingnan natin ulit yung play na yun. They need to get their heads in this game.
They need to get their groove.
Groove, yes. Here.
Mga unsung heroes.
Taneo. Nice block coverage by Mark Lawrence Santos.
Take note, that was a single block against the finals MVP last year. And si fans, kasi kahit ang tagal nang hinintay nila para sa ating coverage, sulit naman.
Sulit naman. Ito, pumabag pa 5 sets, di ba? Tignan natin mamaya.
Ito yung mga angasan. Single block.
Pateño. Taneo to Ramos, and he puts it away. And that's game for set number 3. The Perpetual help Altas staying alive here in this game. Tignan natin kung magagawa naman ng Perpetual against that same opponent here. Tsaka kahit saan, nasa harap siya. Nag-back row attacks pa siya. Taneo gets it over and he scores. Despite that awkward looking spike.
Placing na lang yung ginawa niya dun sa...
Desuyo, Pateño. Well read again for Perpetual. Taneo naman ngayon off the blockers.
Parang nakahiga na siya sa ere no?
Adrian Viray now serving. Taneo to Taneo. And a nice tip for Junjun Taneo.
I love that play. That was the no-look drop ball play.
What a drop para dito kay Junjun Taneo, and Perpetual help. Perpetual help Altas going up against the Sunbeda Red Spikers. Again, the Perpetual help Altas have a twice to beat advantage here. Taneo with a drop, nabasa doon. Zabala, nabasa rin ni Doliente. Zabala, isa pa, and off the blockers, he goes. And scores for Sunbeda.
Well, at that time, kay Junjun Taneo na naman pinadaan.
Yasuyo to Zabala. Ball is still alive. Taneo to Salaan. Double block coverage, and that goes out. Point goes to the Altas.
Pinagtutulong-tulungan na talaga nila. Wala na silang one man.
Desuyo, ginamit na ang mukha doon.
Tigil nga ako
Nagulat yun. Zabala!
Block from the Altas. Kita natin talagang ayaw na magpalusot. They want to cap off this game.
Same. Taneo. Gonzalez. Zabala. That's off the net! And 1-a comeback for the Perpetual help Altas. They take this game 5-7. Balikan natin yung una nilang matchup. Baliktad po ang nangyari. Nakaunang ng dalawang Perpetual. Bumulusok ang Sunbeda. Binalik nila Sa San Beda ang favor.